Hello peoples. So today we are going to check how to install the hazard light on DOMINAR 400. So this is the adapter. It cost me around 500 rupees something. It's very cheap. So this is the wiring. The gray one is for right indicator, green one is for left indicator, and the red one is for number plate light. So let's cover it. To operate the light, I had installed a switch for it. Let me show you the switch on, off, and the wire going through under this panel. As you can see the wire here on the frame, the wire going through under this panel under the seat, and as you can find wire here, this is the wire, switch wire. The whole setup cost me around 700 rupees. It's pretty good for this price. To change the pattern, you have to just click on off switch. Just on and turn it off, the pattern will be changed. It had more than 20 patterns. Yes.